Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Tails OS on USB and wipe persistence file, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Tails OS from your USB drive and wipe the persistence file, follow these steps. Begin by connecting your USB drive to your computer. Ensure your USB drive is recognized by your operating system. Back up any important data from the USB drive, as the following steps will erase it. Open your File Explorer or Disk Management tool. Locate the USB drive in the list of connected devices. If you are using Windows, right-click on the USB drive and select the option to format. Choose the FAT32 file system for compatibility. Click on the Start button to begin the formatting process. For Mac OS users, open the Disk Utility application. Select the USB drive from the sidebar. Click on the Erase tab at the top of the window. Select the MS-DOS FAT format. Click Erase to format the USB drive. Once the process is complete, the USB drive will be empty. Now, let's remove the persistence file if it exists. Reconnect the USB drive and look for the persistent partition. This partition usually contains the data for persistence in Tails OS. If you find the persistent partition, right-click on it and choose to delete it. For Mac OS users, you may need to unmount the partition first before deleting it. Confirm the deletion of the persistent partition. Now, right-click on the USB drive again and select to format it once more, if needed. This will ensure all traces of Tails OS and the persistence file are removed. Safely eject the USB drive from your computer. Your USB drive is now uninstalled from Tails OS and wiped clean of any persistence data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.